Hello everyone, welcome to the second video lecture of the course Introduction to Robots. I am Aryan Jaguste from Robotry. In the last video, we saw a brief introduction about the course and the Robotry platform. In this video, we will see the complete overview of the course. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in the comments and also join the Telegram and Discord communities and follow us on Instagram in order to stay updated about robotics, and also it will help you to solve your doubts and get connected with the wider community. The link for the same is in the description, and now we will move on to the presentation part and start today's lecture. In the overview section, you will get to know about the topics that we are going to study further. So our first point is history of robots. In the history of robots, we will discuss some part of the history in order to get the basic knowledge. Okay, so this part will not be technical, but we must have a basic idea about the past or the history of robots. So we are going to study just, it will be a glimpse of the history. Okay, not all the history we are going to cover, but it will be a short and simple part of the history. Okay, some important events and something like that. So it is essential to study about history, as we are going to study about robotics from very basic. This will help you in building a better foundation before entering into the field of robotics or core robotics. Now our second point is definition. In this part, we will see what is a robot and some fundamental or technical definitions about robots. This will help you in understanding about what is a robot and also clarify your doubts about the term robot. Also, I request you to define robot on yourself and put the answer in the comments below. The next point is about applications. In this part, we will see some points like areas where robots are used. So this will be a very interesting topic. Before moving to the next point, I will request you to take down written notes. This will help you to revise and grasp faster when you will study in future, or else when you will revise these notes. Okay, this will help you a lot. So our next point is advantages and then followed by disadvantages. Here we will discuss about the positive and the negative side of the robot, like whether its use is good for mankind or not. You may have heard about the conflict between robots and humans, like robots can take away human jobs and dominate them. So we will discuss about it, like robotics will be a destruction for mankind or else it will be a boon for them. These types of things will be discussed there. Next point will be about the future of robots, where we will see the opportunities in the field of robotics as a career aspect. Then we will discuss about the complete roadmap to enter the field of robotics and get the best possible knowledge of it. The last part will be of a quiz, where the questions will be asked on the basis of all the lectures, and this will be a quick refreshment of all the learnings. That's it for today. In the next video, we will see the course outcome, that is, what will you get from this course. And remember to answer to the question what is a robot in the comments. If in any doubt, you are open to ask any questions on our social media handles. Let's grow, learn and explore together with Robotry, and I'm looking forward to you in the next video.